Want to make your iPhone even more user-friendly? Let's customize the AssistiveTouch menu to fit your needs. Hi, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide. This video, I will show you how to customize the AssistiveTouch menu on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and go to the Accessibility settings. Here you can see the touch option. Simply tap on it. At the very top of the touch settings list, you will see the option for Assistive Touch. Tap on it to proceed. Tap on the Customize to Label menu option. Now, you can change the number of icons in your menu by tapping on the plus or minus buttons. This will add or remove icons from your menu. If you want to change an icon, first tap on the icon that you want to replace. This will bring up a list of available icons. Find the icon that you want to use and tap on it to select it. Finally, tap on the Done button. And this is how you can customize AssistiveTouch menu on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.